Okay. Namaste everybody again. So today we are going to have live demo of making bioenzymes. So all the information that I'm going to speak is just for information purpose. And it's all my experimentation which is going on from the past 1 year. So eco cultures. Eco is our ecosystem and culture is the most valuable thing in our life, right? That is being passed from generations to generations. So we are all using currently the chemical cleaners and we don't have any clue how much we are harming our own selves, our family and the whole environment. The whole planet is affected. And so it is the time now, high time, that we turn towards nature and all the natural stuff. So what exactly, why should we go to towards natural things? Because everything we see in 5 levels. So physically when we see, we are all getting into different kinds of health problems, autoimmune diseases, right? Irritable bowel syndrome, diabetes, heart problems, cancer, so many things. We are all suffering. Then we are mentally imbalanced. Everybody is having some problem like depression, somebody anger, somebody is not happy anymore, right? Then we don't have proper capacity to make decisions because the world has become like that, so corrupted that everything seems very suspicious. We are so scared to buy anything, to use anything, right? So we are unable to make proper decisions in our lives. Then our actions are affecting so much. We are unaware of our actions. What if we use a particular chemical dishwasher? What happens? We don't think about the effect of it. We just keep doing blindly whatever is everybody doing. We'll also just go to the store and get things, all the cleaners and start using. But we don't realize, we have to pause and see what is happening, how dry our skin is becoming, how infections are coming. We don't know. We feel that we are having hormonal imbalance and my daughter is having this problem, that problem, but then we can't even realize what is exactly the root cause. So now we see no love within among ourselves. Everybody is against each other, having evil thoughts, right? We are now so scared even to walk next to somebody. We are scared whether we'll be infected with the diseases, corona. So life has become like that. Lack of love, no togetherness. So even the science research shows the same. All these household cleaning products, they are contributing to different health problems. Like a few of them I have just taken, and I'll not go into too much detail, just to get an idea. It's causing overweight in children, and also the gut bacteria is getting disturbed. Then environmental contaminants. So not only just these household cleaning products, but all the other actions that we are doing, the vehicles we are going in, the factories, the carpet we are using, the paints in our home, everything has chemicals. Everywhere it has become chemical world, and it is disturbing our gut microbiome. Okay, so what is gut microbiome? So microbiome means the total number of microorganisms present. So these microorganisms are present everywhere. So if we take our body, we are nothing but microbial body. Okay, so it is for only 43% our cells and 57% is microbial cells in our body. So the DNA itself is of microorganisms. So it's not just on our skin, or it is inside our body, within all the cells, all the organs. then on top of our skin, then around us on all the surfaces, everywhere in the environment, air, the water we breathe, everywhere these microorganisms are there. They include bacteria, fungus, protozoans, all other things, microorganisms. So that whole thing is together collectively called as microbiome. And they have, every microorganism has a role to play. So we don't have to get scared of these germs. So they are present everywhere and they have their role to play. If we take our body, so in our body, so many activities, functions are happening, right? So digestion of food is happening. It is converted into juices. It is supplied to all the different organs in our body. It energizes us, produces vitamins, hormones are regulated. And not only these chemical processes, but also it is mentally affecting. There is something called gut and brain axis, which is the gut bacteria and our brain, the way we think is connected. So our thoughts are also being judged and decided by these microorganisms in our gut. So major part of this microbiome in our body is in our gut. Gut is the stomach area, the intestines, because it is all filled with the food that we eat and it's very narrow and wet. So that is very good place for these microorganisms to flourish. So all the protein synthesis pathways, glycolysis, and so many things are happening by these organisms only. So the whole immune system is regulated by them. So they protect us from getting infected from these new organisms that are affecting us. So now the condition, what we have to do is not using antibiotics or vaccines like killing and war like that. The solution is, anyway, we have to live together. It's like the symbiotic relationship we have to develop. And only with love and selfless actions, we can all survive. It's not now the case like earlier, survival of the fittest. It is now only love and sacrifice and all these things that our culture has taught us, and that has to be taken forward. So let us see why these bacterial cultures and how we have to use them, and what exactly are we using these bacterial cultures to prepare these enzymes. So we are just using the daily kitchen waste that we develop every day. As we cook, we generate every day some few vegetables we eat, a few fruits, whatever, and we are using only the peels, not even the flesh. So simple and doesn't cost us anything. And doing by ourselves, we exactly know what is in that, right? The product. We'll have that contentment, satisfaction. Yes, I'm using my own product and I know it is completely healthy for me. It is not going to cause any harm. So no harmful effects of these chemicals. Then we become self-reliant. No need to depend on stores, and we become self-confident of our actions. So our actions are not going to harm. We know it. And it is going to help the whole planet. Not just ourselves, but the whole planet and the future generations. So why I wanted to have this live demo is, we all know about these bioenzymes nowadays. We are hearing, and many YouTube videos are there. But then we have something blocks us to start the process. From within we feel, yes, I have to do, I want to become all natural, I don't want these chemicals, but something keeps us not start the process. It can be we compare with the outside chemicals, and it's very easy, right? Immediately we wash and get from store, wash it and done. But then little extra effort is needed. So we have to come out of our laziness, right? At the physical level. Then we have, so not interested. Sometimes we are not interested. It's okay. Why to keep all those peels and then rotting it, and all those negative comments from our people around us also we get to hear. It is all smelling, it is rotting, some germs will develop, some infections will come. Already there is outside infection. And then inside home, within our home, it is we are creating and growing these microorganisms. So much doubt and suspicion will be there. We will be very scared, right, always. And so few people won't know exactly how to do. Though videos are there, exactly to do and begin at home, they are not initiated, don't feel like. And people are also busy. We don't find time to do things, right? So we have to make the time. Then we are not aware of the thing and what our actions are causing, like we use the chemicals and what are the different effects that are there. If we once know the effects, so much harm that we are causing, all the disease and health problems that we are undergoing, hormonal problems, is because of our actions, we will never use these chemicals, right? So we don't know, we are not aware, and we don't have the motivation also. Somebody we need to push, so that we feel like everybody are buying and readily using. Why should I only work hard and do? That motivation is lacking. So always we should realize the benefits, keep in mind, and keep reminding us, yes, I want to do, I have to do. And when we think about the benefits that it is going to give, how it is going to help everybody, the whole ecosystem and planet, we will definitely do it, right? So from the past 1 week, we along with our friends, we started collecting peels. So every day as we were using daily in our kitchen, those peels we started collecting. Just take a look at the video. Okay, so we were just collecting into this empty container. Every day we were collecting the peels. So first we added on the first day the lemon peels, which I used in the cooking that day. Then around 1/4 cup of water we added into the container. Then we added a spoon of jaggery powder. And it is better to use organic or dark color jaggery, because if we use processed jaggery, the microbial growth won't happen there. That's why. So every day we have to shake the container. So every day as we collect, daily as we use vegetables and fruits, the peels we collect and keep adding into the same container. Maximum portion should be the lemons, pineapples, limes, and orange peels. And so they will give good fragrance in our product. While others like carrot peels, mint leaves, banana peels will be very minute, small bits of pieces, just to have those microorganisms, because every fruit, every vegetable will have different microbes on them. So that's why different kinds of fruit and vegetables peels we collect in those container that we collect. So that's how we collected, and here is the container. This is I collected. So every day we used to shake like this, and it's all dried and they appear like this. Now if we are ready, we can do the next process. Anybody would like to do, can show your collected peels and the container. Yeah, perfect. Let us do. So we will take the new container which will fit, and there is a proportion: 1 part jaggery, 3 parts should be the peels that we collected, and we will use water. Water will be 10 times of jaggery. Okay, so I kept it ready. The water is ready. This is the 10 glasses of water. And I'm taking the small glass. This much is 1 part. So this is the jaggery. It is better to use the plastic containers, because as we make the process of enzymes, every day the reactions take place and gases will be released. So that is why pressure will be built and glass might break. But if we have containers like these jars, mason jars, we can use them. They have the inner lid inside, so we can just close it and loosen it, and that way the gases will be released, and again just tighten it, so we can use. But when we make it for in a big batch, we won't be able to find such big glass containers, right? So that is why we use the plastic containers. Okay, now empty container, sure. Okay, first we will add the jaggery, 1 part. Then 3 times is the peels. So you don't have to worry, these peels are very dirty or infected with microorganisms, because they are all everywhere, the microorganisms are there. So no need to worry, you can just take in the container and add 3 times.
Nilima, any possibility to move the camera down?
Okay.
Like, is it possible? Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, sorry ma'am. So you collected like that before and now you're transferring to the jar now.
Yes, from the past 1 week we have been collecting, yes.
Okay, that you're moving with a fresh batch of water and jaggery and this one. Okay.
Yes,
3
correct.
glasses.
So Neelima, my peels aren't as dry as yours. Is that okay?
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah, it is still wet, and I still have that what you called as yeast. I still
Yes.
have that. That's all good, right?
Yeah, no problem. Because just water remains, it has little more water content. That's it. The growth is there, activity is there. Just it is uncomfortable for us to put it. That's it. That's fine. The third 3 times I've added. And now 10 times water of the same glass I measured. So I'll just add it. I can wash. One, two, three.
How much of that soaked peels? How much of that?
3 ratio. 1 ratio is jaggery.
Same,
One.
yeah, same cup 3 times.
Yes. Same.
Oh, okay, thank you. Okay.
We added, I think, 2 times. 3.
How many days we have to keep the peels?
Which peels? The collected peels? The peels we collected? We can collect, yeah. They will be alive.
How many days?
We collected from the past 1 week. You can collect even 10 days back also. No problem.
Oh,
but
okay.
the fresh ones will have more microorganisms, right?
Okay.
And if we collect in this way, they will be alive only, because we have added food for them. The jaggery is the food for these microbes. So they are alive.
So if we have more peels, we can use the same day itself?
Yes. If we are cutting like big chunk, like papaya, pineapple, then we can use the same day, fresh. I have done many times fresh, the same day only.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. And no difference now, because they are alive in this. They have the food and the activity was happening. It had turned all white and we could see the thing happening, reactions. So they are alive. So I'll just add the whole, because I measured it like this. That's it. So simple it is. It doesn't take much time, not even 10 minutes. Because we are discussing, it took 5-10 minutes. And then we'll just close. There should always be that space left. As the pressure builds up, so there should be that space. Space is the container space should be more than what we add. It is taken like if 10 parts is water, 15 parts is the container capacity. That's it, we are done. And after that, we need to label it well, like with the date, everything should be mentioned, because we need to know when we have done. So this, like this, we will keep for 1 month closed. Every day we will open and then release the gas and immediately close. Not much, you don't have to keep it open for long time. Okay, just label it with the date so we will know how long we have kept.
One question, these peels tend to be floating on top and get
Yes.
exposed to air, while some of them are immersed.
Yes.
And the ones that are floating on top, they catch something like fungi or the white color. Is that okay? Should I keep stirring it
Yes,
after I add?
daily when we open, just give a stir. So they will be mixed well with the water and jaggery. They won't be on top of water. They will get proper growth will be there, organisms. They will be decomposed, degraded, all the activities happen, right? So that's it. And after 1 month, what happens, like even before 1 month, the activity stops actually. So much bubbling will not happen. In 3 weeks, it will stop. So not every day also, initially it will be more. We can see nice bubbles, big bubbles will be there. I have pictures, I will just go to the next slide. So this is the same, we have to use plastic containers, open, close for a month. Then sometimes if the lid is not proper, if there is air going in the container, there is leakage, then we will find some caterpillars, and it is really little scary to see in the beginning for us as we start. And there will also be a layer kind formed, thick layer, like SCOBY we say, symbiotic layer of yeast and bacteria it forms. And there should be the space left for the growth and reaction, gases released. And we should not keep it in direct sunlight also. In heat, the microorganisms will die, right? And they won't have the growth in it. Reactions won't happen. So better to keep little dark and cool place within home. Not direct sunlight shouldn't fall on it. Then we have to avoid strong these flavors and smelling fruit and vegetables like radish, onion, garlic. And pomegranate is one fruit that we have experimented, and my mom's whole bathroom and floors, the tiles became yellow in color. So that is one to be avoided fruit peel. But these will have their own, for different purpose we can use as pesticides and all, we can use these. In other cosmetic products, we can use the pomegranate. So they have their own value. It's not like they are rejected. So everything is important, and every fruit and vegetable and every being is important in the world. Okay. So this is how we did now. 3 parts peels, 1 part jaggery, the container with the jaggery first we added, and the peels. So they will float like this. We can just stir it when we see, no problem. Next. So the reactions, so initially good bubbles we can see, right? And then slowly in the second week, end of the second week, it will be like this. And after 1 month, we will not open it anymore. When it is stable like this, like the second picture, then we keep it like that for 2 more months. No opening, nothing, just we'll leave the container there. And it will turn like this. A transparent layer will form, plain, we won't see any peels, and all the peels will settle down like this. They will all go down. This is the ready container. So like this. And once it is ready, the 3 months are done. What we have to do is, the peels are down. So the top part we will collect, that will be the liquid enzyme, which we can use for cleaning all our floors, mirrors, furniture, all such stuff. And the bottom peels, we are going to grind it. And it is called pulpy enzyme. It will be like a pulp. So once this pulpy enzyme is ready, we can use that as starter. And next time when we start the new batch, we don't have to again start from the beginning. We can use this pulp and just the peels and jaggery. What happens is the process will be ready within 45 days. Actually, within a month it will be done, but to be safer side, we will keep for 45 days. So 3 months job is done in 45 days. So this is how the layer and caterpillars you can see. Okay, if the lid is not tight. So always better to use screw type. So this one was not screw type. It was like clip, putting the clip. So all this happened. It was very scary.
You said caterpillar somewhere?
Yeah, small white things you can see here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I will show you. This here, small white. They were the
So
insects floating.
We cannot use it, right? This has to be disposed, right?
No. I used it. What we can do is add little more jaggery and transfer it into the new container with the lid, tight lid. That's it. Because these are all alive, right? The cultures and microorganisms are there alive. So again, the activity will happen, but poor organisms will just die in the process. But they will give us the vinegar in the end.
So the clear enzyme that you're talking about, can that be called vinegar?
Yes, the final one that we get on top is the vinegar. It is called the acetic acid, which is very close to vinegar only. Yes, that is the cleaning product. It will have beautiful fragrance because of the lemons and pineapples we added. It will be wonderful. Than using the chemicals, this is a very good option for us. And we are very...
A quick question.
Yes, sure.
Nilima, my name is Veena. Quick question. So when you add this pineapple peel and all that, won't it become sticky? Like the, like, you know, when the juice falls on the iron or something, how it becomes sticky? Will this be sticky? Did it become sticky?
The final product? No, because all the jaggery that we added, which will make it sticky, is eaten up by these microorganisms. The jaggery was the food for them. So the reactions happened, they eat up all the jaggery, and then final product is there are no more organisms also. It is all enzyme ready there. Now it is the different, completely acid is formed, acetic acid, which is but vinegar. So it won't be sticky.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we need to avoid on marble floors also. The enzyme, we cannot clean on marble floors. They will also discolor. So that we have to be cautious. Wood and all other tiles are okay, but not the marble. And we should avoid the pomegranate. Then from this process, there is not just the making of enzyme, but lot of things to be learned. We have to be just be aware. So we are using in this process diversified peels, right? Different peels. It's not only one single peel. So we are giving importance to every organism, every fruit and vegetable, because every fruit and vegetable will have different kind of microbes there. They are not the same. So just like even in our body, if the microorganisms in our eyes, the nose, hands, every part, digestive system will have different organisms, microbes, and they have different role to play. The reactions are different. So, and everything is important for us. It's not like the functioning, digestion is okay, but liver functioning, I will just skip. No, right? We need the liver to take care, produce all the hormones and chemicals. So we have to have diversified food. Any grain also, if we consume, it should have all the diversity. Similarly, are these peels that we collect and use, better to have diversified, because what happens when we use such cleaner, when we use, they'll all be sticking to our body, and so we also will get that, the effect, the diversified effect will be there. Okay, so always diversity should be maintained. Then we need to respect every organism, and we have to be aware that they have their role to play. right? See, if we use the chemical cleaners, all whatever good bacteria that were there on our skin, they will be washed off. And that's why we end up in all the dry fingers and infections. So better to go for these natural cleaners. Then we maintain all the controlled conditions, particular place, no sunlight, this amount. So intellectual controlled environment is maintained. Then there is sacrifice and acceptance, sacrifice of these microbes. So this yeast and bacteria, they do all the reactions, right? In the process, they eat. In the beginning, so much happens. It is so nice to see so much changes in the container. Bubbling will be there, then stabilization and a layer will form. Yeah, but in the process, these germs are being killed and they leave the good product in the end for us. So, and we accept the change that happens with time. But they all work for a single mission of making it, right? Together the job is done. So it's like a Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. We all also have to do for our society and the whole planet. It's not only us individually we are going to get benefited, the whole system will be benefited. So that's why I would like to call this as cultures, and our great culture says in the Shastras, amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadam, ayogya purusho nasti, yojakas tatra durlabha. Means every letter is a mantra. Okay, there is no letter that is not a mantra. Every syllable is a mantra. And there is no plant that doesn't have medicinal value. There is no human being who is worthless. Everybody has their role to play. And only the wise to make use of that is lacking. Otherwise, we have to be grateful to the divine and every being around. So when we dissect and analyze at 5 levels, like physical level, body, we have mind, we have intelligence of decision making, awareness, consciousness as a whole, then we get to know what exactly is happening and get the clarity. As we all know, everything is just 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, space. And we get to know what exactly is happening when we look at 5 levels that we call as unify. Okay. So any questions you have, you may please contact. We have the Telegram chat link for eco-friendly products in Unify. And so let us culture our mind, nurture nature, and have energetic future. And my YouTube channel is also there where I will update on any products or anything. So you can subscribe and stay tuned to that. It is naturalnilima@gmail.com. Yes, and the website unify.co if you need more information on the 5 levels, different, how they affect us, what are we at body level, mind level, how everything happens with us. You can get more details on the website. So as I always say, we have to live naturally, love nature, learn so much from nature. There is so much. Spend time with nature and be one with nature and be thankful to the divine, the source of everything. So let us all be happy and in harmony. Let us all live together. Only together things can happen and change. One person will do the things, some good things, it won't happen because the system is filled with, we are all together, right? We are all connected. So everybody, if we do, we can bring the change definitely. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Any questions, please let me know. And once this is the starter product that is ready. So it is the plain one. Now once this is ready, and I have the bottom peels. So when I grind, it will be the pulpy enzyme. So using these, we can make further products like hand wash, hair wash, dishwash, everything for washing our clothes, different combinations using our own creativity. We know the medicinal properties of these different things, right? Like soap nuts will give good foam, shikakai and tulasi. So such things we can use for hand wash. Hibiscus and all is good for hair. The fenugreek seeds. So using various combinations, we can make further products. So we can eliminate every chemical product. So this is the first starting point. So once we are done with, we'll proceed next. If you please join the Telegram group, Unify Eco-Friendly Products, and then we can discuss further.
Nilima,
Yes.
sorry, 2 more questions. How long will this pulp stay, and do you store that in the fridge?
No fridge. It's all live. You can
It
keep
could
it.
stay out.
Yeah, just outside you can keep,
Oh,
and nothing will happen. They are like we can keep for years. You can
Oh,
just you can find the white layer that will be there, but see like this it will be. But once you rotate it, they will mix up and fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Welcome.
So we have to throw away that liquid. That's it,
No,
right?
nothing
Like we have to
we are
take the
throwing. No, with
Oh.
liquid we are making further hair wash and all. We will use it. In this, see what
Okay,
we
got
will do. This liquid enzyme, we will add soap nuts and different combinations. Again, little
it.
jaggery, and then we will have new product. So this is the
Oh,
base
that's nice.
starter culture. Yes,
Okay, thank you.
sure. Any more questions?
Question.
Yeah.
So for us to know if the product is fully finished, to confidently start
Yes.
using it,
Yes.
other than the timeline,
Hmm.
and you said all the pulpy matter settles down,
Yeah.
and just a clear fluid. So is that the only indicator? How can we be very sure that this is ready to
See, it will
use?
look like this. A transparent layer will be there
Layer
on the
completely.
See how it looks. There is difference, right? Peels will be down, and there
Okay.
will be that transparent layer kind.
Not see through it. It should
We
be like
can't.
that.
There will be
So
a
that-
minute paper kind layer.
So once it's ready, we can be very sure that it can
Sure.
be used.
Yes.
Go ahead and filter it and then
Yes.
grind pulp and use it.
Yes.
And the enzyme by itself, what we filter and take out, it can be used by itself as a cleaner with dilution. Like you
Yes,
said,
there
10
is a yes. We have to dilute it with water. The clear enzyme, we can dilute with 10:1000 combination.
Okay.
One more simple question.
Mhm.
So, like, sometimes I'll keep lemon for long, and then it will become that brown thing, and then I can't use it. So, can I use that whole lemon just like that, or we should use only the peels?
Peels and fruit pulp also you can put in it. No problem.
Uh-huh.
It will also get degraded and it will happen. Yeah. Always better to keep the peels like the process we collected alive, not keep in the fridge, because microorganisms in that cold temperature will die off, right? So that much we won't have that much live cultures there.
Okay.
Please join the Unify Telegram group also. So next further products and whatever reactions happen, we will have so many questions, whether it is happening correctly or something new will be seen sometimes. So you can get clarified also if you have questions.
Yeah, I am in the Unified Telegram group. So the link is there in that group, Nilima?
I will send the link in all the groups of Unify.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, any more questions?
Hello, Nilmaji. Thank you very much for a very informative session. One quick question on this line. Is there any quick alternative for daily kitchen dishwashers kind of, soap alternative?
Yes, this is what we are making, right? Actually, once the pulpy enzyme is ready, people are using directly this one. It cleans very well. Only we feel little, the smell is not so pleasant. So we can add some essential oils for little better feel, but it cleans very well. If something is very greasy, we can apply and soak for some time, a few minutes, 15 minutes like that. And then when we wash, it will go very well. It will clean very well. But now I tried few combinations with soap nuts and all. I keep doing the experiments. They are coming out very good actually. It will not have much smell also. and foam is created, and they are doing better. Still it is happening, more experimentation needs to be done, but we are going better. For skin and all, it's a really good combination that has come out. The body wash and hair wash, I'm using it. It's really satisfying to use them. And for kitchens also, I'm using it, the pulpy, and I'm mixing with soap nuts and doing with few combinations.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Sure.
And
And people,
there are, yeah, please.
yes, you continue.
Yeah. I mean, there are some mixes also, right? Some flour mixes.
Mm-hmm.
So how they are compared to this one? Like, are they, the purpose is different?
Which flour mixes?
I mean, what do you call it? Chana
Chana.
powder and
Yeah,
water.
for body hair we use, right? Yeah. Chana dal flour, moong dal flour, they are really best only. But for us,
Okay.
in the bathtub, the clogging and all will be there, right? The powders we might get clogged in the bathroom holes, the bathtub holes. But with these are liquids, so not much such kind. The fiber and powdery solid stuff is not there. And we get foam
Gotcha.
also in this. Yeah, these are also giving good skin and hair, shiny hair. The effect is good. And for kitchen purpose, dishwashing, people are using the ash with ash powder. It will give little more better feel of washing it, because this will be soft and this we won't feel it is cleaning or doing anything. But when we have that ash powder, we feel the grainy texture. So we
Scrubbing
feel the scrubbing feel will be there. But it
Okay.
cleans very well. That is what is important, right? We should not compare with the chemicals.
Yeah,
The
that's true.
foam, but now we are getting it with the soap net combinations. Even foam is coming, and it is good. We'll more work out on that.
Sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, I think we are done.
Maybe after those 90 days, we might have, if there is a follow-up to see how what has come out, and maybe if we can know what to do next further from
Yes,
based on
yes.
the
Definitely.
awesome.
We will have discussions in the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group also. We'll keep updating. I'll also update in the YouTube channel also there. Few videos and what next.